Hi there, I'm here today to talk to you about the Coherence Principle. This principle is all about keeping presentations simple. No need to have extra graphics and extra words and extra sounds that are not related, because all they're doing is really confusing the learner and not letting new learning stick because you have all the extra stuff in the way. So there are three different principles with the Coherence Principle, and I'm going to focus today on Principle 2 and 3, which are avoiding extraneous graphics and avoiding extraneous words, again, because they're just going to get in the way and confuse the learner. So I've used this presentation on slideshare. Here it is. On primary and secondary sources. This is something that we teach a lot in 4th grade, so I wanted to use this. Already right off the bat, just looking at slide 1, you're going to see a ridiculous amount of extraneous graphics. I have no idea why the theme of cute butterflies and flowers was chosen for this whole presentation, as it does not connect at all with any of the content throughout the slides. You're going to see that it continues on throughout the entire presentation. It has the same, while cute, not relevant theme throughout. The first slide that I redid was this slide here about what are primary sources. Take a second to read through the information that it provides. And so right off the bat, again, we see that it has the extraneous graphics. Again, no connection at all to any type of primary source here with the flowers and butterflies. What else I noticed when going through this is the extraneous words throughout. Original first-hand account. Well, first-hand account by nature is original because it's coming directly from that person. Usually written and created by an individual who was there or witnessed. Always written by and created by someone who was there, since it said primary first-hand account, primary source. So I created, on my Google Slides, I did a revision of this slide, if it will go there. There we go. A revision of that slide of what are primary sources. And you will notice when it decides to pop up that I have taken out many of the words that were not needed. Primary sources are first-hand accounts of the event. They are written and told from someone who was there. They are invaluable because they share detailed descriptions of exactly what occurred since the person was actually there. I have kept it simple but accurate, taking out the unnecessary words, and added in 2 small non-distracting graphics that are actual representations of what primary sources are. Going back here, the second slide that I redid was the similar style. It was what are secondary sources. Again, noticing the extraneous graphics and text and words that were not needed in this presentation. Give you a second to read that. So I went through and did again another representation or revision of this slide. And we have, again, keeping it simple, keeping the extra words out of there because they're not needed at this level. Again, only causing confusions. They are secondhand accounts of an event. They are written and told from someone who was not at the event. I think that was not very clear in the other one. I kind of wanted to underline that to make sure that stood out. And they are a retelling or analysis of the event through research and use of a primary source. And again, adding 2 graphics that do actually connect and relate to the content of secondary sources. Able to help show the students, the people who wrote these books were not actually there at the event, but these are a retelling and an analysis of what did occur. So these are my revisions using the Coherence Principle to make a better presentation. Thank you.